Contacting Planfix Support is just a few clicks away. Click the question mark icon in the top right corner to open the Help Center. Select Contact Support. Message. Describe the problem in the Name field and the problem details in the Description field. Attach screenshots if required and send your request. You'll receive a reply in your Chronicle. Click on the notification to read the support message. All discussions related to your request will be stored in this task. Be sure to complete it once your question has been resolved. You can view completed or ongoing support requests in the Help Center under Support. For users who work with integrators, there is a convenient way to contact them directly. You can do this simply by submitting a support request. Click on the question mark, then go to Support and select Message. Now select Question about Planfix functionality. Fill in the necessary information and submit your request. Similarly to the support requests, you'll receive an answer to your request in the Chronicle. And here's another pro tip. Create a separate request for each question. This will help you keep track of your questions and make it easier for us to respond. If you encounter any problems, don't hesitate to contact support. We'll be happy to help you solve your problem quickly and efficiently.